Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are unboxing my new keyboard, the AULA F75 Pro. So I'm just gonna get straight into unboxing it. Luckily, it was raining pretty hard earlier today, so luckily the delivery guy was able to get it to my house today, and it didn't get delayed. So, okay, so plastic case. Missing manuals. Okay, so in this one we have some light green switches. This left one. We have a metal keycap puller, which is nice. Or this is a metal switch puller. And then we have a USB-C cable. It's the keyboard itself. Check for anything else. So, this keyboard. It's nice grayer than what it looks like. Just want to see what it sounds like first. Oh my god. That sounds really nice out the box. I did not expect it to sound like this out the box. Okay. This keyboard itself has a volume knob. Aren't any visible letters or numbers, and have the USB dongle, Bluetooth indicator, connection switcher, and then Type-C. Over here, current keyboard, which is this one, Ryzen Huntsman Mini. This is just a sound comparison, how it sounds here. And then that's the F75 Pro. This is the keyboard with the rest of my setup. This is how my setup's currently looking. And see, keyboard works perfectly. I'm gonna see how it feels in a game really quick. Alright, I'm in Fortnite right now, and the video may look choppy because I'm playing on a lower frame rate, but overall, the keyboard feels, looks, and sounds amazing. So, see you guys next time. Goodbye.